Welcome to this regular season matchup.
Jim, these teams are warmed up and ready to play, and hey, I'm ready to watch.
Really?
Yep.
Then this should work out pretty well.
I think so.
Yager, Timonen. Yachmanev. Legwand with the puck. Taken out.
He doesn't appear to be in his happy place anymore, Jim.
Yager. Shanahan shoots the puck. He scores upstairs.
Are we at a carnival? Because I just saw some mighty fine fireworks. And the wrist shot is only one of the many tools a sniper could utilize from there.
Detroit opens up an early lead.
Wow, I wasn't even sure they'd dropped the puck yet.
Assisted by number
Ferguson takes possession of the puck. Smolinski, Linden moved it. Ralston, he scores!
The infamous puck upstairs goal, tormenting goalies for over a century.
Detroit already leading by 2 goals, and we're not even 5 minutes into the first period.
If they keep pushing this hard, they'll put the other team completely out of it.
By number 21,
That's offside.
Smolinski, and by number 22, Trevor Linden.
Hecht wins the draw. Lind shoots the puck from the right. Vokun stoned him. Vokun freezes the puck. Iserman won the faceoff. Vokun closes the door. Vokun hangs on for the whistle. Arkhipov, Dubinsky, now with the puck. Pody shoots. Joseph denies him. Shanahan takes control of the puck. Iserman gets it. Nashville puts its scoring line out. Iserman gets muscled off the puck. Nashville has it now. Arkhipov, Erat now has it. Sylvester gets the pass from Joseph. Maltby now with the puck. Timonen stops the shot. Yachmanev took the puck. Legwand gets laid out.
The glamour of the hammer, definitely part of this great game.
Linden shoots the puck from the left. Vokun made the save, and he covers up for the faceoff. Iserman wins the draw. Tenkrat. And they get called for icing. Yachmanev. He scores!
He roofed the puck as if to say, hey, I roofed the puck.
We're back to a 1-goal game.
This matchup has it all. Drama, suspense, and guys on skates.
Erat was dumped on the play, and that's going to result in a penalty shot.
Now?
Yes, now.
Right now?
Well, soon.
Come on, Jim. Don't you think the folks out there deserve accurate commentary?
Joseph.
Erat grabs the puck. Fires! The goalie makes short work of that attempt. The faceoff goes to the Predators. Blocked. Duchesne with the puck. Shanahan steals the pass. Yager now with the puck. Iserman, Detroit, gets a hold of it. Yachmanev. Nashville puts its second line out. Shanahan takes control of the puck. Yachmanev push. Shanahan scores! It just crossed the line, but it counts.
For those of you who like to feast on quality hockey, this guy just served up a smorgasbord. I can't wait for dessert.
Oh man, did he rip the puck home.
If it was going any faster, it would have ripped a hole in the universe. Hey, maybe that's how they got those black holes in space.
Detroit will try to take this 2-goal lead. Smolinski scores right upstairs.
Everyone likes to define their goals, and that was the finest goal I've seen in a long time.
Detroit goal.
Linden
Scored
won the
by
faceoff.
number 21,
Ralston.
Ryan Smolinski.
He gives up the puck. Orsog has it. Klassen takes it.
And by number 32,
It's one-on-one. Walker fired it hard. Checked. Fires it. Blocked.
last minute of play in the first period.
Shot quickly. The door is shut by Joseph. Shoots the puck. Walker misses the net. He takes control of the puck. Stick save by Joseph. The first is now over. The Red Wings have a hammerlock on this game.
These guys are handing out hits like they're going out of style, but they'll never go out of style.
It was a bit of a skate in the park for one team in the first period, Don.
It sure was, and their opponents need to refocus if they hope to stay in this game.
Sylvester. Oates shoots the puck. Vokoun denied him. Vokoun hangs on for the whistle. The faceoff goes to the Red Wings. Ferguson shoots the puck. Vokoun hangs on for the whistle. Yzerman wins the draw. Delayed penalty call for Nashville. Yachmanev gets called for cross-checking.
Let me try and read his mind. I need to find a new
Nashville
color guy.
penalty to number 43.
Weird. That couldn't have been him. I wonder whose mind I was reading.
Detroit has a chance to open up its offense.
A one-man advantage like this can be a huge factor.
Shanahan turned away by Vokoun. Delayed call. Legwand jumps on the loose puck. Yachmanev is back on the ice, meaning we're back to five-a-side hockey. That's icing. A penalty has been called. We have a penalty called. Nashville with the power play.
Now would be a good time to score. Anytime now. Like now.
Relax. Saved by Vokoun. Vokoun hangs on for the whistle. Marchment backhanded shot. Vokoun made the save. Yachmanev with the puck. Shoots it. Joseph slams the door shut.
He's a one-man stopper of power plays.
Yager has his eye on the prize tonight.
His 700th career assist waiting in the wings, Jim. Will we get a chance to bring it to center stage?
Nashville
Oates
penalty to
has a
number
habit of winning the
24.
draw.
And for the coach, it's a beautiful, beautiful habit.
For checking from behind and again misconduct.
Pody gets hold of the puck.
Served by number 27.
Erat gets run over.
There's a hit which leaves no doubts, only dents.
Pody shoves Marchment. Pody scoops up the loose puck. Arkhipov. He gets laid out. Nashville will switch into penalty kill mode as this 4-on-4 comes to an end. Pody grabs the puck. Lidstrom gets in the way. Timonen bumped off the puck.
matey, that'll be a big hit.
Lidstrom gets called for a two-line pass and play is stopped. Sylvester. Rink-wide pass. Shanahan. Timonen gets the pass from Vokoun. Hentunen. Legwand stretches out to get by his man.
Why keep two hands on your stick when you don't have to, huh?
Offside, Nashville. Oates won the faceoff. Maltby. Brewer grabbed the puck. Vokoun shut the door.
One man's obsession, keeping pucks out of the net.
Erat gets rubbed off the puck.
That hit was A, stupendous, B, tremendous, or C, horrendous.
Oates with it now. Sylvester gets laid out. Orsog. He's in all alone. Nashville has a player down and right now looks very concerned.
He's a teammate, Jim, and no one wants to see a teammate go down. He's going for a rest whether he wants to or not, Jim.
You can never be too careful with injuries, especially when these guys refuse to quit. They're fighters.
Detroit is faring incredibly well at faceoffs.
It should help them. I'm not sure how, but it should.
Shanahan. One-time shot from the right. Tinkrat. Hentunen with a wrist shot. Joseph made the save.
This is your typical story of puck meets net. Not.
Linden. Wrist shot. Oh, he missed. Hulse.
Last minute of
Cesar
play in the
got the
second
puck.
period.
Smolinski. It's the end of the second period. The Red Wings
Seem more interested in racking up points than penalties.
I know, Jim. It's called playing smart
From
hockey.
our Tickets for Kids luxury box.
Folks, give it up for the team that's winning.
Which is?
The program doesn't give me that information.
Nice cover. Let's get on with the third.
icing is called against Nashville. Erat jumps on the loose puck. Arkhipov. Rink-wide pass. Pody shoots quickly. Door slammed shut by Joseph. Linden. Smolinski grabbed the puck. Shoots! Denied by Vokun.
There's no question. Instincts count in this kind of game.
Chelios scoops up the loose puck. Yager. Shanahan returns it. Yager fires it. Timonen. Detroit corrals it. Iserman backhands it. Legwand grabs it. Peterson took it. Offside, Nashville. The face-off goes to Detroit. Maltby. He takes possession of the puck. Legwand. Yachmanev grabs it. He gets laid out.
Slams him like a bug under a brick.
Oates. Maltby now with the puck. Nashville scooped it up. Detroit puts its third line out. Erat gets bumped off the puck.
He's gonna feel that one in the morning. In fact, I think he's gonna feel that one every day from now on.
Linden. Nashville takes control. Arkhipov. Mowed down.
Just remember, kids, maybe one day your squish will come true.
It's one-on-one. Linden with a one-timer. Pody takes control of the puck. Play is stopped while the glass is replaced.
That'll make you think twice about buying front row tickets.
Those fans will be picking glass out of their hair for a week.
Legwand. Yachmanev. Stick save. Yachmanev scores!
Some goals are fastidious. This was fast and hideous.
Nashville
Can't be written off just yet.
There's a comeback of brewing, Jim, and it smells delicious.
Krastich. He gets crushed.
That hit was bigger than the universe. Well, maybe not, but it was still big.
Linden, quick shot from the right. Krastich jumps on the loose puck. The ref indicates a delayed call against Detroit.
Ferguson is going off for cross-checking.
The referee is sending him off despite a complete lack of DNA evidence.
Nashville
Now has the upper hand.
Let's see if they can force their opponent's hand and grab a goal on the power play.
Shanahan gets the pass from Joseph Iserman. Detroit has a full complement of players on the ice now. Pody gets the puck. Nashville picked it up. Legwand. Peterson got it. Nashville is 2 goals down and is going to pull its goalie.
I endorse their strategy. It'll spice things up.
Peterson shoots the puck. He gets thrashed.
And he's thinking, hey, I didn't know we were exchanging gifts.
Marchment with the puck. Sylvester gets it. Linden shoots it quickly. Peterson hits the post. Arkhipov gets pushed off the puck. Ralston shoots. Empty netter.
Detroit goal.
Klassen.
By number 13, Ryan Ralston.
Yager.
The goal was unassisted.
Shanahan. Great save!
The kind of save legends are made of.
Vokun hangs on for the whistle. Hintonen. Chelios takes possession of the puck. Lidstrom, Vokun, close the door.
They keep sending them in, and he keeps sending them out.
Yager knocks the puck loose.
He didn't really sell it, though, Jim. It felt like he was just going through the motions.
That's it. Detroit is the winning team.
One thing that stood out tonight was their ability to win one face-off after another. I'll tell you, Jim, these guys just wanted it more.
For Nashville, number 43, Vitaly Yakmanov.